friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.9, which is the fabulous. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Room category second. Category third. Room category fourth. Category fifth. To talk about the details of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and order stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The sound guests enjoy the surroundings. The resort accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various payment plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comments.